Hi guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. At this point it looks like Bitcoin is unstoppable. Currently, as you can see, standing at $6,606, which is incredible. If someone was to come out and say Bitcoin will be worth $10,000 next week, I wouldn't be surprised. Nothing can surprise me anymore when it comes to Bitcoin. You know, there's reports that there are over 30,000 new wallets created every single day. That does not mean that new money are coming in. Obviously there are new money coming in, but that does not mean that all the 30,000 new wallets that are created are new investors into Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. But without a doubt, we have seen it as of lately. Everyone is talking about Bitcoin. Everyone is investing into Bitcoin. That is the reason why the price is so much up. You know, it's one of those things. When you have money going in, it goes up. If money starts drying out, it will probably likely start falling down. But at the moment, it is the one coin that is just going nuts. It's unstoppable. However, the reason I'm making this video is because I was asked this question by quite a few people. What would I do if I had limited funds of money to invest into cryptocurrency, and would I go for Bitcoin or an altcoin? And I have to be honest with you guys, this is my personal opinion, so I'm not trying to say what you should do, but I'm trying to obviously share with you how I see things and what I would do if I, let's say, have $100 only per month left after my expenses that I can invest into cryptocurrency. And although I do like Bitcoin, I do like Bitcoin Cash, but this video we're gonna obviously compare Bitcoin versus the rest. And I do believe Bitcoin will be even bigger than what it is today. But when it comes to $100, if that's all I had to invest, I would definitely be going for an altcoin. It is sad to say at this point, I think if you are a new investor with a very limited funds of money, which by the way, $100 to some people is a lot of money. Even to myself, although I have obviously a bit more money, still $100 is $100. I don't look at money just like this. You know, it's always something. It's still worth something. So, but $100 would, you know, would barely touch Bitcoin at the moment. You know, you would barely have anything. And if we were to take a today price of Bitcoin, let's say 6,600, and we divide these by $100, sorry, 6,600, and divide this by $100, which we have per month, we will need 66 months to actually generate one Bitcoin, or to buy ourselves one Bitcoin. Divide this by 12, it will equals to 5.5 years, and that is with today price. There is no way in the next year, the year after, and so on, the price of Bitcoin will stay the same. It will actually continue to rise. But unfortunately, people limited funds will probably stay the same for a few years from now on, and still probably have only $100 left to invest in. So there's definitely better options out there to create more money. And although Bitcoin, it is nice to have Bitcoin, if you are thinking of making money, you need to look into an altcoin. Now, I don't know what altcoin exactly to go for and what altcoin I would go for. I mean, I would tell you, for instance, an example that I would probably go for. Ethereum Classic will probably be an option for me. Omisa Go will be another option. Lisk will be another option that I would invest in. Verge will be another option. Let's see where it is. Obviously there's many other. I'm just obviously sharing some of the altcoins with you. Salt will definitely be another option. Kucoin, I would invest into Kucoin. Decreed as well, but Decreed is a bit more expensive, but still an option. And I'm trying to, Steam would definitely be another option. Steam has lost lots of its value as of lately, but it is still up and running. There's still lots of people who do like Steam, and eventually we may see Steam start picking up once again. So if I had $100, I would definitely invest either in one of those altcoins, because I do think the potential of making money with those altcoins is better than with Bitcoin. And or the other option would be to invest in, let's say, 10 of those altcoins or 5 of those altcoins with my $100 limited funds. Again, as I said, this is my opinion. I do believe if I was to invest in these coins and they do turn up to be successful, and Bitcoin, we know it's successful, I will make more money investing into those altcoins than investing into Bitcoin. You know, it's crazy where we are currently at Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is definitely has been good for the people who came early, or including myself. I mean, I was able to earn a little bit of Bitcoins. If you follow my channel, you know I hold a little bit of Bitcoins, currently standing at around close to 10 Bitcoins myself, which I'm extremely happy with it. I'm extremely proud that I was able to achieve. So if you can obviously earn Bitcoins, then fair enough. But we are talking here investment with $100 per month, or somewhere, you know, $150, something like that. I honestly believe an altcoin is definitely a better option, which can potentially be more profitable than Bitcoin. If you disagree with me, or if you agree with me, feel free to share with me and everybody else down below in the comment section, so we can all learn from each other. I'll be glad to actually hear your point of view about this. But I really believe Bitcoin at this point, for new investor with limited funds, it's definitely gone out of the window. You know, it's crazy. 5.5 years if the price stays the same just to buy yourself one Bitcoin. Because let's be honest with you, if you, let's say after 3 years you end up with half a Bitcoin, right? Half a Bitcoin. I mean, how much does this Bitcoin have to jump to, you know, in order for your investment to be actually worth it? You know, it has to really go to, let's say, $100,000 to end up being really worth it, or maybe $50,000, or I don't know, something like that, something crazy. You know, but if that was to happen, you know, Bitcoin is not going to stay the same for the next 3 years. It will continue to rise constantly. So therefore, with $100, you'll end up buying less and less and less and less Bitcoin every single month. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Again, as I said, this is a question that was asked by people who do want to jump into the crypto space and do want to start investing into cryptocurrency. Limited funds, definitely look into something else. But then again, if the only thing you want to invest in, then go for Bitcoin. Do your $100 every month, put your Bitcoin aside, and just don't even look at it. Just think of it as you spend this $100 somewhere else. You know, maybe go out in a restaurant, cinema, bought a game, whatever you were doing with it, and just forget about it for years to come. And eventually it could be worth your investment quite a lot. But if I had to do it, I would definitely be going for an altcoin, and maybe multiple altcoins. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the channel, feel free to subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.